The cabin filter is located behind the glove box. Open the glove box. Unhook the dampener arm. Unclip the glove box. Lower the glove box. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Reinstall the filter housing door. Partially close the glove box so that the stops re-engage. Reinstall the dampener arm. Close the glove box.
For the best price, visit undercarexperts.com and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.